Hey, what's up everybody? Josh Quinones here, and today's video is all about the HTC U12 Plus. Yes, it has finally been announced. Now, I want to first talk about the colors of this device because I think they're absolutely beautiful. We got a ceramic black, a flame red, and a translucent blue. Now, I think my favorite out of the three colors has to be that translucent blue because you can actually kind of see through the back of the device, which is actually pretty cool. Now, I know this, the design of this device doesn't have the most futuristic look like most of the devices on the market right now, but it still looks actually really nice. Now, let's go over some of the specs. It's going to have a 6-inch display, a 6-inch Super LCD6 display, Quad HD Plus resolution. It's going to have 18:9 aspect ratio. And yes, it's not going to have a notch, which is cool. I'm glad they stuck to their guns on that one, though the top and bottom bezels are still a bit thick compared to other smartphone devices on the market right now. I'm still glad that HTC did not put a notch on this device. Now, for the internals, we have a Snapdragon 845 processor. It's going to have Android 8.0, 6 gigabytes of RAM, 64 or 128 gigabytes of storage, 3,500 milliamp battery with no wireless charging, but it will support fast charging, and it's going to have that Edge Sense 2, which basically if you squeeze the phone at a certain pressure, you can activate certain apps. Now, for the camera in the back, you're going to have a dual camera setup, with one camera being a 12 ultra pixel 4 camera, which is basically going to give you really great low light photos, plus a 16 megapixel telephoto camera. Now, for the front camera, it's going to have two 8 megapixel cameras, which is going to give you some nice crisp selfie shots. Now, we're also going to get that fingerprint sensor in the back below the dual camera setup, and it's also not going to have a headphone jack down at the bottom or at the top at all. We pretty much expected that due to last year's model not having the headphone jack as well, and that just seems to be the trend of most smartphones these days that are not coming with the headphone jack. But overall, I think it still looks like an awesome device. I think it's going to be great. Like I said before, while it doesn't have the most futuristic design with less bezel, like most smartphones on the market right now, it still looks like a beautiful device that I'm sure will still turn some heads, especially with that new translucent blue color, which I think looks absolutely amazing. It looks really, really cool. Now, I will do a full review if I can get my hands on a device. We'll go over some more specs. We'll go in depth with this device. But so far, what do you guys think about this phone? Is it something that catches your attention, something that you might be interested in? Are you planning on purchasing it? Let me know down in the comment sections below your thoughts. You guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not a subscriber already, and turn on post notifications. Like this video if you did like it. You guys, this is Josh Quinones, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace out.